Hi, welcome to journal number 22. And today we're going to discuss our alkalis, halogens, and noble gases. So let's start with our alkalis. And you know what? The answers are right here on the periodic table. You just got to know what column to look at.
That's right. So, of course, as usual, I won't know who you are unless you put in your name. And then you're going to click on the radio button for which period you're in. And then click next. And then what's this thing that's here, Miss Andercheck?
Oh, this is our periodic table. And hopefully you should have it pretty understood as to where you need to look for your answers. So here we go. On the red column on this periodic table, it's even color-coded for you. We have our alkalis. Alkalis. They're the first ones. And you need to pick one. I'm going to pick Na for sodium.
All right. And then the halogens are family 17 right here. This column here, the next to last. And chlorine is one that people like to talk about with the halogens. Oh, wait, look what I didn't do. I didn't label anything. How am I going to know what anything is? So an alkali is sodium, halogen, chlorine. And what else have we got?
Oh, and then our last column here, number 18, is our noble gas family. So we're going to pick a noble gas. I'm going to pick helium. I like helium balloons. I'm going to pick helium.
All right, so the noble gases are right here, that family 18. Sorry, I didn't do that at the time. My bad. And we're going to go with helium.
There's a lot of favorites in this one, though.
Yes, there are. I mean, you know, neon, you know, you've heard of radon and radon detectors. Krypton's just fun. I mean, you know, helium balloons are fun. Argon is the most abundant trace gas, of the trace gases, that's the most abundant one. So he's kind of cool. So, any one of those. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about, the last part of this question is how many valence electrons do they have? What are valence electrons?
Oh, valence electrons are those outer shell of electrons. So remember our notes. The street number is we need them from our street number. So I'm going to look at a first family, and they have one valence electron because they are in family group 1.
So everything in family 1, everything in group 1, same diff, are all having one valence electron. So at the end of my thing here for the alkali, I'm going to put 1 VE minus because that's what it means. All right, and then for our halogens, they are in family 17. Now, everything in family 1 has 1. Everything in family 2 has 2. Then we skip over the 10 transition metals because they don't play by the rules, and we get to family 13. And we're going to subtract the 10 we just skipped over. So everything in family 13 has 3, 14 has 4, 15 has 5, 16 has 6, 17 has 7, 18 has 8. So our chlorine halogen has 7 because it's in family 17. 7 VE minus. How about our noble gas?
Oh, our noble gases. Those are our happy, satisfied gases. So they have 8. They have a full outer 8 valence electrons.
All right. So there we go. Going to hit submit. And I'm going to actually take a minute to edit this so you won't have to wait. After I click see previous responses, that normal wait time where I'm singing something stupid, you won't have to wait for today. All right, here we go. Name an alkali. Alkali, sodium, 1 VE, halogen, Cl, chlorine, 7 VE, noble gases, helium, 8 VE. Now you can answer your own answers as long as they're from the correct columns.
And remember they're in order. A, H, N. Alphabetical order.
A1, H17, and 18. All right, y'all. Have a lovely day. Make good decisions. Bye.